teacher Ava. Today we will learn about measuring weights in kilogram, gram, and kid. First, we have here the measuring tools for weights. We have here dial spring scale. Next, we have mechanical scale. So next, body scale. Next, balance scale. So kids, let's have the term in measuring the weights of an object. We have here kg, it means kilograms. We have G for grams, and we have this KEED, okay? kg for kilograms, G for grams, and we have KEED. This KEED is, you can see it on the scale, the small lines after and before the numbers, okay? So that is what we call KEED. Okay, we have number 2, measuring weights in kilograms or KEED. We can use a dial spring scale to measure the weights of objects in kilogram or kid. We have here letter A. Okay, this is the flat iron. So the iron weighs 2 kilogram. Okay, we have here each small line represents 1 kid. Each small lines here after 1 or before 1 represents 1 kid. Okay, how about letter B? Let's see this one. The carton of milk weighs 3 kid. Oh, look at this one. 1, 2, 3. So small lines what? Yes, it represents kid. So the carton of milk weighs 3 kid. So kids, we have measuring weights in KG, G, and KHEED. Number 1, we have Siti and Janice measure the weights of these objects in kilograms and KHEED. These objects weighs more than 1 kilogram. So we have here the pineapple. This pineapple has a weight more than 1 kilogram but less than 2 kg. So how do we read its weight? So we have here the needle points of 2 kid after 1 kg. So the weight of the pineapple is 1 kg and 2 kid, or 1 kilogram and 2 kid. So that is the weight of this pineapple. So number 2, we have, let's find the weights of these objects. Letter A, we have the pumpkin. So what is the weight of the pumpkin? So we have here, okay, it's more than 2 kilogram. Okay, look at this point. The hand of this dial spring scale, more than 2 kilogram. So we will just count how many kids. So the pumpkin weighs 2 kilogram and 5 kid, because the small line, okay, because of the small line, 5 small lines equals to 5 kid, okay? And letter B, we have here potatoes. So how many kilograms? The potatoes weighs 1 kilogram and 9 kid. 1 kilogram and 9 kid. It's more than 1 kilogram, but it is less than 2 kilograms. So we will just count the small lines, or which is our kid, and it is on the 9th. Okay, so we have 1 kilogram and 9 kid. So let's have number 3. Janice's mother buys broccoli at a supermarket. The dial spring scale shows the weight of broccoli in kid. So we have here the weight of the broccoli is 4 kid. Janice uses digital scale and a dial spring scale to measure the weight in grams. So how many grams are there? So we have here the digital scale and we have here the dial spring scale. So we can write G for grams, okay? G for grams. We have here 100 G equals 1 kg. 100 G equals 1 kg. So the weight of broccoli is 400 grams. So the broccoli weighs 400 grams or 4 kg. And kids, always remember that 100 grams is equals to 1 kg. Number 4, let's find the weights of the objects. Letter A, we have here the bag of mung beans weighs 5 kg or 500 grams. And we have letter B, the cabbage weighs 900 grams or 9 kg. So we have here number 5. We can use the dial spring scale to measure the weights in kilograms and grams as shown below. Letter A, we have the weight of the butter is 500 grams. How about letter B? The total weight of the carton of milk and the butter is 1 kilogram and 500 grams. How about letter C? The weight of the onions is 1 kilograms and 800 grams. And how about letter D? The weight of the watermelon is 3 kilograms and 400 grams. So we have here on page 184 in your book, Do and Learn, fill in the correct answers. Letter A, we have here, how much is the kilo of this onion? Okay, we have 1 kilogram and how many kg? Only 1 kg. How about letter B, this cabbage? We have here 1 kilogram and 5 kg. Okay, how about letter C? We have 1 kilogram and 3 kg. So that is how we will answer page 184. So let's move to page 185, number 1. Match the objects that have the same weight. Okay, letter A, we have here 200 grams. So let's find our answer here, which is the same weight on the given picture. So we have here, yes, we have 200 grams here. Are they the same? Yes, of course. Letter B, 300 grams, so which is 300 grams here. Very good, this one. Okay, how about letter C? 1000 grams. Yes, so let's match this here. How about letter D? 600 grams, so we have here. And how about letter E? 100 grams, so we have here. So let's what? Yes, let's check your answer. Check, 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 check. And this one is correct. Okay. How about page 186 in your book? We have number 2, fill in the correct answer. So we are going to what? Yes, fill in our answer here inside the box. So letter A, we have here. Yes, it's 8 kg. Okay, how about letter B? We have 2 kilogram and 1 kg. How about letter C? We have 1 kilogram and 700 grams. Okay, how about letter D? We have 3 kilograms and 5 kg. Letter E. Letter E, we have 300 grams. And letter F, we have 5 kilograms. Who's correct, kids? Okay, let's check your work. Okay, let's put some check here because you're correct. Okay, so let's check. Okay, let's keep on going. How about page 187, number 3? Let's read all together. The weight of the packet of biscuits is 150 grams. How many more grams must be placed on the right pan to show the weight of the biscuit? Okay, so we have here the biscuit and how many we will write, we will put it here. Okay, so we have here our answer. 1 more 50 gram must be on the right pan to show the weight of the biscuits. Okay, so that is our answer. How about number 4? The weight of the bottle of juice is 700 grams. Cross out the weights that you do not need so that the correct weight of the bottle of juice is shown. So we have here how many grams in here? So the bottle of juice is only 700 grams. So how many we will cross out? Okay, let's see how many. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we cross out 3. Okay, that is our answer on page 187. That's all for today, kids. Thank you for listening. Keep safe always. See you on the next video. Bye.